The trial begins against this Omaha man charged with sexually abusing boys for years. Good evening, I'm Bill Shamert.
I'm Julie Cornell. We're hearing from a mom whose son is involved in the case, but he was not sexually assaulted.
KETV News Watch 7's Alex McClune is live with her message and what happened in court today. Alex.
Bill, Julie, she was one of the few families in court for this trial today, where prosecutors gave opening statements saying Danon built a relationship with 7 boys, most of them athletes, by trading money and drugs for sex, while the defense says those substances could distort the memory of people who testify in the coming days or weeks.
15 jurors will decide the fate of Steve Danon in the weeks ahead. Families will watch and hope for justice.
The ripple effect of this kind of thing destroys families.
Patty Carr says her son was one of the boys involved, many of them male athletes.
He has said to me, I've buried more friends than seen them married.
A civil lawsuit filed January alleges Danon inflicted enough mental harm on a victim to take his own life in 2020. A court document alleges starting in 2004, when the victim was 11 years old, and continuing through adulthood, the victim was repeatedly sexually assaulted by defendant. Danon's attorney argues that boy died by fentanyl, saying the other victims are severe drug and alcohol users or have been before, which the defense says impacts memory and distorts reality. The state says the victim who took his own life prevented other victims from taking a shameful secret to the grave. Families heard all this in court Tuesday.
I'm here for them because they deserve justice. Their lives, their families will never be the same.
In the weeks to come, Project Harmony will testify why males are different from female victims, how some boys and victims developed a buddy system to protect themselves from Danon, and how other boys lived through alleged sexual assault for money and drugs.
Hopefully this will bring some closure and some healing.
Testimony is now underway. Today, an Omaha police officer told the jury she first took a call from the deceased man's family back in the fall of 2019. Then that victim's mom took the stand, saying her and Danon's sons were friends since daycare. Now, as far as the attorneys, the prosecutors say that they were encouraging jurors to take notes because they say there are a lot of dates involved. Meanwhile, the defense discouraged that, saying there's a lot of information to process, but ultimately Danon's life is in the jurors' hands. So a lot to cover in the coming days or weeks. Live at the Douglas County Courthouse, Alex McClune, KETV News Watch 7.
We will continue to follow. Thank you, Alex.